This is an amazing corn salad made with fresh corn kernels, kale, feta cheese, and a homemade from scratch dressing. Stay tuned to 234 En La Casa so you can learn how to make this amazing summertime salad. It's great with all kinds of, with your barbecues, with your dinner. It's an amazing side dish, and I'm going to show you how to make it in just a moment. We're going to start off with 4 ears of fresh corn. Get them shucked, cleaned up for this awesome corn salad. Just going to wash our corn off, get all those silk strands off as much as you can. Place our fresh corn in a pot and get ready to boil it. So once we've got our corn added to our pot, we're going to add just a little bit of salt. Add some water to your pot, and we're going to boil this corn for about 4 minutes. Okay, I've got my corn cooked. I've got some cold water going. We've got ice going on it because we're gonna stop this corn from cooking, y'all. So this is gonna give us time. Go ahead and get our peppers and our onions diced up. We've got some fresh kale here that we're gonna be using for the salad. I've got mine rinsed. Just make sure that when you rinse it, you go through with a paper towel and just dry your kale. This is gonna be a half a cup of kale, maybe 3/4 of a cup. You do not have to use kale. I know with this disease that's going on, people are really, particular about their lettuce right now. So you don't have to use kale. You can use cucumber, fresh zucchini, any vegetable that you would like to use. Try not to cut real close to your cob. We don't want any of the milk from the cob getting into our salad. We don't need that for a corn salad. All right, so that's about as close as we want to get to our cob. Now that we've got our corn placed on top of our kale, we're going to start on our dressing for the salad. Some avocado oil, maybe about 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Add about 1/4 of a cup of fresh lime. And if you don't want any of the pulp in your lime juice, just use a strainer. I'm going to use the country Dijon with the coarse ground mustard. You can just use regular Dijon. And we'll put about a teaspoon or so in here, maybe a little bit more. I like a lot of Dijon, so I'm probably going to put a little bit more in here. We'll put some honey in here, about a teaspoon or 2. Parsley flakes, about a teaspoon of parsley. Granulated garlic, about a teaspoon. We're going to use some kosher salt. Just about 2 pinches. Chili powder we're gonna add in here. Maybe about 1/8 of a teaspoon or so. 1/8 to 1/4 of a teaspoon. And we're gonna add some pinches of black pepper, maybe about 1 or 2. We're gonna whisk all of this together. And once you have it whisked together, you wanna make sure and taste it to make sure that it tastes good to you. I'm gonna give it a little taste. Let's see. Tastes really good. And you don't have to do the teaspoon of garlic if you don't want to. You can add less garlic. I like a lot of garlic, but you can add less if you'd like to. I'm going to add just a little bit more honey to mine. I want to add just a little bit more sweetness. My corn is really, really sweet, and so this is just going to enhance that, the sweetness of the corn. We've got all these other vegetables in here that's not quite as sweet, so I want to make sure my dressing is pretty sweet. Yeah, that tastes perfect. All right, so we'll get this set to the side and bring our salad back. And then to our salad, we're gonna add some red bell pepper and green bell pepper that's already diced up. This is gonna be about 3/4 of a cup of green and 3/4 of a cup of red. Half a cup of red, diced red onion. This is about a 1/4 of a cup, almost 1/3 of a cup of fresh cilantro. And so you're gonna want to make sure that you have your cilantro chopped. Kind of like coarsely chopped, I guess you could say. This salad is so pretty, so colorful. So we're gonna combine everything together before adding the dressing. This smells good too. You will smell that sweet corn, that fresh corn. This salad is absolutely delicious. We're gonna finish this off before adding the dressing with some feta cheese. You can use blue cheese. I think blue cheese would be a little bit strong for this salad, but you can use blue cheese crumbles. You can use cotija cheese, which is gonna be a Mexican cheese. We're gonna use about 3/4 of a cup of the feta cheese. Toss again. And now we're gonna add our easy, beginner-friendly, wonderful savory dressing to our summer corn salad. You see how easy this is? Amazing, beginner-friendly, and so, so delicious. Guys, this is fantastic. All right, guys, so the salad is finished. Got the feta in there. I may add some more feta to mine, but there it is. And you could add some cherry tomatoes to this as well if you'd like to. My family they don't like tomatoes, so I didn't put any in here, but it's so good. A wonderful, fresh, refreshing salad. Excellent, y'all. So good. All right, I'll see y'all next time here at 234 En La Casa.